The beautiful game of chess is celebrated all over the world in so many different ways. And when you put your money-making thinking cap on, that's a lot of chess pieces. So how are these chess pieces created? Well, with a 3D printer, of course. Each piece with a pretty penny in the end. Makes you think, doesn't it? Celebrating the PioCreat G5Pro 500 by 500 mm pellets printer from AM.CO.za. Give sales a call for more information.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with AM.CO.za. For 11 years, they've been the leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC routers, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit am.co.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montague Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more. am.co.za. Achievement matters.